Imagine you went for camping and forget to bring kettle to boil water for your coffee. What do you do? Today I will show you one way to boil water just using wood and rocks. Find a log or cut a tree and then you need axe and just cut that in half. Now I have cut my log and I'm gonna use this kind of small axe to carve kind of like a cup in there. Very sharp this thing. Alright, I think this is done. I went for a look for small rocks and I found these. You don't wanna use wet rocks, you know, from the river or anything, because they might crack in the fire. These are all wet because it's winter, so I need to be careful. Did you forget matches and lighter and you need to make fire? Do you have for some reason have 9-volt battery and steel wire in your backpack? Just put those together and you have fire. I don't have a water source near me, so I'm just gonna put snow here. Then I'm gonna put this next to fire so it can melt. The snow is melting. Alright, the fire is pretty good, so I'm gonna start putting rocks in there. And I made these kind of pliers so I don't burn my fingers. Alright, let's try this thing. Ooh. Damn! Alright, I have a boiling water. And now I have a hot coffee. It's good. There is a smoky flavor in there, but it works. It works. You get clean water, or like boiled water, kills the bacteria from the snow, and hot cup of coffee. I think some hipsters would love this. Not some normal coffee, it's just smoky, rocky, ashy kind of taste. They would pay tens of dollars for this coffee. Okay, that's all for today. I see you on the next one. Bye.